Butang Ubi at that time pila prime na mo tamo 30 ato niya participation is 45 million participation sa ang Double Dragon pila 125 so 45 as against 125 ang aton is 1/3 diba almost 1/3. So, is 1% sufficient for our participation? Ako mangkot lang ko ha. JPM should answer those questions. No? Because he was the one who entered into. That's why in this associate Kulawas ko, get the legal to renegotiate. Hindi ko yan mag-intrada. But first, they have to ensure that what they are renegotiating, the agreement that they are renegotiating is legal. Because if it was illegal right from the start, like a marriage, which is void right from the start, it does not create any relationship between the parties. Sino-sino kukuha? Lo? Why? Why not din?
Kundi mayor may
What are the kinds of marriage? There are void marriages. There are voidable marriages. Anong void marriage? A marriage that has no one of the three requirements.